Hello, hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, it's good.
How are you?
I'm fine and you.
No problem. I will help you. But I
Alright.
but I cannot see you.
I don't have a camera.
Oh, no problem. No problem. Your name is Mario, right?
Yes.
Nice name. Better
Okay,
create a
okay.
create a page from your site. So if you have any Facebook ID and if you share a screen, I can create a page just within 1 minute. Then I can access. Then I can it optimize and audit.
That, uh,
You can see bottom
my
share
yeah.
screen.
One moment. My girlfriend, I speak really good English.
Okay, okay.
I
Please call
yeah
him.
yeah. Yeah.
Let him call.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you? Nice to talk with you.
I'm pretty good.
Okay, okay. Please help us to solve the
I know.
problem. Yeah, but my brother is also okay in English. Okay, please share the screen so that I can see your screen.
Uh, you want to see the screen?
Yes,
So we
yes.
have to. Faudrait que tu montes l'écran. Faudrait que tu fasses un partage d'écran. Yeah, ouais. I'm going to show you the screen in a couple of seconds.
Okay, no problem.
Do you need to create the page or for showing it's to see what you're working with?
Okay, he he wants to promote his Shopify store by social media advertisement. To run social media
Yes.
ads, first of all, we should select the media. Which media we want to use, Facebook or Instagram. So if we select the Facebook, we cannot use FB ID. We have to use a business page according to his business name. He told me I need to create a Facebook page. So if I create from using my profile and I can give access, yeah, he can get access. But
Yeah,
if we run
so
ads,
you will need to create on his account, on his Facebook account to work.
no, 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 not Facebook account. I need to create a Facebook page using his account so
Yeah,
that it not gonna be restricted.
I rarely doing English like trade traduction.
Yeah, if you give me access, I think I can do it in front of you.
Yeah, faudrait que tu l'installes.
No, give me access
Faudrait
and
que tu crées un
and
affaire
don't touch your mouse.
c'est pour lui créer pour lui donner un accès.
Yes, please don't touch your mouse. Don't touch.
Juste, il faudra pas que tu touches à ta souris. He will have to not touch his mouse when he
Okay.
share the control.
Yeah.
Okay. Tu- Faudra pas que tu touches à ta souris. Faut t'arrêter de toucher. Okay, I told him to not touch the mouse.
Okay, no problem. I think he have business manager. I think yes. So I need to just
Yeah.
sure.
Il faut pas que tu touches. Comment
Yes.
ça?
I think he also try run ads. I think he try run ads. But which one is right business setting? This is maybe this is business setting. Oh, you don't have business manager, so we need to create. Okay. Yes. Please write him business name. It not.
Like, is that it?
No, no.
No,
This is ad manager.
that's ad manager.
We need to business manager. Look,
T'as besoin de
what is
business.
that? What is that? Can you tell me? Everything is.
Accept access to the parameter of tu pas laisser là.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Wait. It maybe came.
You need a traduction for the page or
Yeah. Now we need to attach page. Please here. Okay. Wait.
Tu peux le mettre en anglais.
Wait. Don't task. Give me.
Tu fallait pas que tu touches.
Don't task.
Hurry. I don't.
Oh, we need
You
to,
wanted to put it on the
no,
in
we need to zoom out.
English.
We need to zoom out.
Okay.
Here is 3 option, but we can look. So add page. And here page, right? Okay. Then copy that.